Today we present stuffed bell peppers in Mexican style, a lip-smacking appetizer which never fails to be a mealtime pleaser. I have already baked one bell pepper. Let me show you the details. Just look at these beautiful layers. Please check the description section for the details regarding the ingredients. I have kept onion, tomato and garlic. First let me chop it. Then let me heat a little amount of cooking oil and start sauteing the chopped onions. Then in goes the finely chopped garlic. I'll saute it for a minute. I have de-seeded and chopped the tomatoes. Let me add it and saute it for a couple of minutes. So that the tomatoes soften, let me add a little amount of salt followed by minced lamb. You can use any meat of your choice. Then in goes coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, paprika powder, red chili flakes and a little amount of dried oregano. Give it a proper mix and I'll allow it to cook by adding a little amount of water. The lid goes on and this will take 15 to 20 minutes for the meat to be done thoroughly. I want the filling to be thoroughly dry, so I'll cook it for a couple of minutes. Then it is the time to grate the cheese. I have kept a bowl of cooked rice and a cup of corn. First, let me cut the tops of the bell pepper and trim the bottom so that it stands still. Let me slide the knife and take out the seeds as shown. Let me keep all the bell peppers ready. I'll be serving it along with the top of the bell peppers. I'll be rather closing the bell peppers and grilling it. This dish is not only visually brilliant, but it is high on flavors as well. Now it is the time for filling up the bell peppers. Let me brush up little amount of cooking oil on the surface of the bell peppers. This will give a nice char on grilling it in the oven. Now it is the time for filling. Let me add a generous amount of cooked meat. Let me gently press it so that I can accommodate good amount of meat. Then I'll put up a layer of cooked rice. Press it gently. Then I'll add a little amount of sweet corn. Then I'll top it up with grated cheese. This dish is all about the stuffing. You can have endless combinations for stuffing bell peppers, but I prefer meat, rice, corn followed by cheese. Let me place the tops of the bell peppers and fill up the rest of the bell peppers with the filling. I have already preheated the oven. Let me place it in a baking dish, cover it up with aluminium foil and grill it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll take out the top of the bell peppers, add freshly chopped cilantro and a dash of chili flakes and grill it till the cheese bubbles. And it is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel. That motivates us to come up with more interesting recipes for you. And also click the bell icon for further notifications. See you soon.